it comes to portable speakers, the market is packed with options that promise deep bass, long battery life, and immersive stereo sound. From the moment you unbox TRIBIT StormBox Flow, this sleek, feature-rich speaker, it's clear you're holding something built with both audio fidelity and user versatility in mind. The StormBox Flow arrives in premium packaging that reflects the attention to detail TRIBIT puts into its products. Inside, you'll find the speaker itself, a sturdy USB-C charging cable, a user manual, and a minimalist lanyard for portability. The matte finish and rounded edges give the device a modern yet rugged aesthetic. It's compact enough to carry easily, yet hefty enough to feel substantial. At the heart of the StormBox Flow lies its 25W speaker system, fine-tuned by TRIBIT's proprietary X-Bass DSP technology. What does this mean in real-world terms? Crystal clear mids, expressive vocals, and a low end that rumbles with impressive weight. The X-Bass function, activated with a single button press, adds up to 10 dB of bass enhancement without distortion, a truly satisfying experience for bass lovers. Whether you're listening to mellow acoustic tracks or bass-heavy electronic dance music, the speaker adjusts effortlessly. Even at high volumes, the audio retains clarity and fullness, outperforming many competitors in this price bracket. The TRIBIT StormBox Flow is a standout in the portable speaker category. With thundering bass, custom EQ, flexible design, and a battery life that goes the distance, it delivers exceptional value. Whether you're a traveler, party host, or everyday music lover, this speaker adapts to your needs and elevates your audio experience.